Hello and welcome to another full bean tutorial. In this session, I'm going to demonstrate how I persuade Logitech mice to remember the settings that I have chosen. I prefer to set up my trackball and my mouse so that when I press down on the scroll wheel, it pastes whatever I have previously copied. It pastes that into the document. So let me demonstrate what I'm talking about. I've typed some text. I'm going to highlight that text and copy it. Add a couple of spaces and then press down on the scrolling wheel. You'll see that it pastes the text that was on the clipboard. I can do that repeatedly. I find this very useful for my workflow. However, after a while, Logitech forgets that that's the way I set up my mouse. So here's the setup for that. I go to All Apps, scroll to Logitech, and then choose Mouse and Keyboard Settings. I open that up, and in the button settings, you'll see that I have set up the scrolling wheel here to paste when I push down on it. Some other possibilities are what you see here. Universal scroll, generic button, and so on. I chose other and then select function, and my choice was paste. There were numerous other choices, but I wanted paste. So I clicked OK, then clicked apply, then clicked OK again. So once again, now when I copy something and I press down on the scrolling key, it pastes whatever was in the clipboard. As I've said, after a while, Logitech forgets that that's what I wanted, even though if I go back to the Logitech setup, it still shows my choices. What I need to do is to click apply again and then click OK. And it will remember that choice for a while, but it routinely forgets after a period of time. What I did to work around that is I pasted into the taskbar here. This is Windows 11 that you're looking at. I pasted in the mouse and keyboard's settings. An easy way to do that is to go to the application, right-click on it, and then go to More and Pin to Taskbar. With that, it shows up on the taskbar. So if when I'm trying to paste something in by pushing down on the scrolling wheel and nothing happens, I can simply go back in to the Logitech application and remind it to apply whatever choices I've made. That works for me. I hope that you found this technique to be useful. Thank you for watching.